Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the rent tax credit in Ireland. To be eligible, you must be paying rent for your principal private residence and not receiving housing assistance. This credit applies to those renting privately. You can claim up to €500 per person or €1,000 for a jointly assessed couple. Ensure your landlord is registered with the Residential Tenancies Board. Before you begin, gather all necessary information. You will need your landlord's name, address, and their Residential Tenancies Board registration number. Also, have your own personal public service number, or PPSN, readily available. Finally, ensure you have accurate records of your rent payments and the exact start date of your tenancy agreement. This information is crucial for a smooth application. Applying for the rent tax credit is straightforward using your Revenue Online account. Log in and navigate to the Manage Your Tax section. From there, select Claim Tax Credits and choose the Rent Tax Credit option. You will then be guided through a series of prompts to input your landlord's details, your tenancy information, and your rent payment specifics. Double-check all entries before submitting your claim. Remember to always verify that your landlord is registered with the Residential Tenancies Board, as this is a key eligibility requirement. It's also vital to retain all your rent payment receipts and tenancy agreements for at least 6 years, in case Revenue requests them for verification. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Don't miss out on these helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.